So you know me, I haven't done much, but I did get a VI peel. And let me tell you, it was amazing. You put it on, doesn't really bother you, doesn't hurt. And then a couple days later, your whole face peels off, which is awesome and a really fun way to scare your kids. Then it leaves your skin feeling resurfaced, hydrated, and wrinkle-free. It took away a lot of my wrinkles. So I did it once, and I will do it again, and enjoy. All right, guys, I am at the VI spa. This is the headquarters. So after being in my, how old am I? 30 plus 10? I've never done anything. I've never done a peel in my life. I've never done a laser, a needle, a beetle.
No beetles.
And I live in Los Angeles, which is like, I'm like, could probably walk on water. But I'm about to do this VI peel and I'm really excited because I do have like a Cindy Crawford acne scar. This like, this situation that came out with Simon. Okay, so now I'm gonna take before pictures and they're gonna tell me how old my skin is. Oh God, the age thing's gonna pop up now. Oy, 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 oy. If I had hoop earrings in right now, I'd rip them out. I would pull off my hair. That's my age, and that's what my skin looks like. Eat a banana. Maria Camille is here. She's the CEO of VI Peel. Look at your skin. 2 kids, guys. 2 kids.
Yeah, and I just had a peel maybe 3 weeks ago. And
So
it really
is
changed my skin.
VI Peel is like, is it across the country?
We are worldwide too, but in the United States we have about 4,000 locations.
So they could just Google VI Peel?
You go on our website and you pop in your zip code and you'll find locations near you.
So easy. Thanks for making it easy for us.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
By taking off any surface oils from your skin, we get a nice even penetration of the acids and the best results for you in the end. Our oils in our skin actually inhibit the acids from penetrating, so it's important that we do a good prep.
It doesn't smell that bad.
No?
No. And I have a really
Got a
keen
fan
sense
right
of
there.
smell. Oh, that's because of the fan. That's right.
So we're gonna get started with the peel application. And most people will not feel anything for the first 30 seconds to a minute.
And then they feel
And
it.
then you'll start to feel just warmth or like
Okay.
a tingle. Nothing where you're gonna be jumping off the bed or freaking out.
What if I'm like the one person in the world?
Who jumps off the table?
Yeah.
We'll take care of you then. Have you roll your lips, basically. Roll them together. Great. Then do the upper lip and chin. And so you do get a little bit pink, right? A little flushing happens. We want to see that. If your skin didn't flush, I'd wonder if you had any circulation going on.
If I had a soul.
Exactly. Your skin is alive. Hooray. But it does flush for probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and then a lot of this will subside. Okay. So don't worry about that. Have you roll your lips for me one more time? Upper lip and chin.
I just want you to know that this doesn't hurt and it's really chill.
This way a little bit. We're gonna work on this side.
You get that, like, that real big guy right
Yeah.
there. Like, get in there.
No sweating, no direct sun exposure. So you need to really be cautious about your skin and sun exposure. It's normal to feel a little bit irritated, a little itchy, a little, all of that is normal during the first kind of like 2 to 5 days. After that, your skin will pretty much be completely healed.
Okay.
And you'll be just feeling fabulous.
The VI Peel has really taken my bangs to the 90s. 1992, Kelly Taylor bangs. So I'm told 3rd day, like 3rd, 4th day is when the peeling starts. And like she's like, you can trim it, you can buff it, you can. I'm like, what's gonna happen? So stay tuned, because apparently I'm a snake now and things are gonna peel off. Just wanted to show everybody that the peeling has begun. Yes, the peeling has begun. The V-peel. I can't believe how many people are like, pick it, pick it. Look at it, look at it, look. Look, it's on my shirt. It's disgusting, people. Gross. Gross. So someone was asking when's the best time to do this. So far, I would say, yeah, maybe Wednesday. Because I had it done on Friday and I started peeling yesterday, which was Sunday. So if you went Wednesday,
Went to work Thursday, probably Friday afternoon you'd start peeling, Saturday peel, Sunday peel, back to Monday. I have to work today, so I don't think you're supposed to do this either. Okay, in the V-peel development, about to wash my face, but like this whole, see this whole piece? It's literally all coming off. It's correct. I started to peel a little bit and then it starts to sting, but I feel like it's all starting to peel again. I don't know how this is gonna, I don't know what's going on. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Peeldom 2019. It's all happening. It's all peeling off. I've got a peeling. I'm gonna try all these products. An intense hydration that has hyaluronic acid and peptides, and then a vitamin C gel, which is a repair gel. Antioxidant. Prevents sun damage and protects against sun damage. And then Ultra A is a retinol.
Yes.
Right?
So it is actually the strongest form of vitamin A that you can get over the counter, very similar to your retin-A's. It's a 0.1% tretinoin.
Wow.
The main things that I noticed after my VI peel were my wrinkles seemed to be diminished, my pigmentation was a little bit lighter, hyperpigmentation was a little bit lighter, and also it just felt like a resurface, like all my pores seemed tighter and smoother. And I really liked the way that it looked. I hope you enjoyed that little look into VI peel, and if you have any questions about it, you can Google it. There's probably a VI peel down the road from your Starbucks in your local town. They're all over the place. Enjoy your VI peel. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.